Kadayawan Festival. A celebration of harvest and culture in Davao. Welcome to the heart of the Philippines, where culture blooms in full color. The world-famous Kadayawan Festival in Davao City. Held every August, Kadayawan is a grand harvest celebration, honoring nature's bounty and the rich cultural heritage of indigenous communities. Streets come alive with stunning displays of tropical fruits, flowers, and handcrafted art that showcase the abundance of Davao. Experience powerful cultural shows featuring rhythmic tribal dances, traditional music, and vibrant costumes that tell stories of ancestral roots and unity. Every performance is a tribute to Davao's diverse ethnic tribes and their living traditions. The streets transform into a spectacular festival parade where creativity and culture collide. Locals and visitors join together in a celebration of gratitude, abundance, and harmony. Kadayawan is more than a festival. It's a celebration of life, culture, and harvest. Mabuhay ang Pilipinas!